Welcome to another video, guys. It's going to be great. I just wanted to share with you a little bit of something today, and we're going to talk about a product that I love, which is called Easy1Up. So if you're on YouTube, maybe researching Easy1Up and want a solid strategy and why, you may say, David, what is wrong with you? After more than a year, you're still promoting this. Well, yes. And in fact, that is one of the reasons why I'm still promoting this. And you will see in this particular time of the year, there's going to be a lot of launches that are coming out, a lot of people that are sharing different things, but I'm still going to be doing the same strategy. So let's go into a little bit detail of why I believe so much in the product. Firstly, what is Easy1Up? Now, Easy1Up is a lovely company that has started about 2 years ago. They started from another company, and they followed a business model that was really interesting and actually a different thing in the market. Okay, I'm going to just tell you a bit of a story on that. It's by a man called Peter Wolfing. So if you want to check him out, you can definitely go and check him out, and you will see the different kinds of products that they have here. So let's go ahead and just briefly look at the product. So how does Easy1Up work? Obviously, they have the video up here that shares it, and then you have the products right here. Now, this is, okay, I want you to think about it this way. You have a phone, you have an iPhone, you have something that you want to share and sell with people, right? Nowadays, the world is becoming very digital in terms of money, in terms of education, in terms of selling stuff. You can take everything online. So this is one part of an online service that we provide. Now, it's a learn on demand service, okay, which gets your foundation in a multi-million dollar niche, really. So it focuses on specifically marketing and educating yourself how to build a business online. These are from people who have done an incredible job, but more than anything else, it gives value. Okay, now I really want to share with you. Obviously, if you do see the products here, so they have the elevation product, which is $25 US. Okay, and this is what you get in the elevation. Okay, it kickstarts your business, it tells you why, it gives you a mindset on what it is and how do you scale up and what are you going to do. These are bonuses that are going to be offered. How do you write copy? What do you do with the free offer? Is there any way to actually make sure that you're doing it the right way? So what's the easiest business model to start? These are all mindset. Let me repeat that for you. Mindset training. Now, the reason why we start with mindset training is because without the mind, without your mindset in the right place, you're not going to treat your business like a business. You're going to think about only the money when it's much more than that. And you're not going to figure out what it is you're actually going to do. So this puts your mind at ease. Now, many people will say, David, but it's just $25. What can it give you? That's the thing. It is $25, but it has still value in the marketplace for yourself. And I prefer to go with a product which I believe in strongly rather than be excited for any new launch that is coming out here. So Elevation is a good product in itself that is start. Would I say is the best product they have? No, definitely not. Now, the second product is Elevation Elite, which is 100. It gives you more ideas of how you drive traffic, how do you do social media. So this is already getting into the marketing side, you know, where the meat and potatoes actually, you feel them, you taste them. So you're actually getting a taste of how you can earn a little bit money, what is solar ads, how to create a YouTube channel, what is, you know, growing in terms of lead generation, autoresponders. You get an understanding more, and you actually can start to practice it. Okay, so that's a Elevation Elite level. Then you have the Vertex, which I honestly think is the best place to get started. Why do I say it is the best place to get started? Firstly, it's an affordable price, $250 US, one-time payment. Okay, all these are one-time payment, guys. You pay for it once, you get the whole product again, and there is a beauty to it. So this, for example, is where I would recommend anybody, anyone who's starting an online business to start with. Why? Because of this. The first module teaches you how to get started in your home-based business, how it is to get a winning mindset, how to make passion into profit, what are business systems. Do you see what you're getting as value just over here? If you just follow these methods in this level, you will start to gain momentum. And each of these methods can be, I'm telling you, the value that you get in the $250 package is product as itself is crazy. Okay, now I'm a firm believer, guys. I'm a firm believer of being a product of the product. Okay, and if I wasn't practicing any of these things, I wouldn't be selling it. If I wasn't practicing any of these things, I wouldn't be talking about it. I love email marketing ships. I'm learning how to build a relationship through this product. Okay, I want to be in the future having affiliate marketing sessions and show people how I drive traffic and show people how to do things. And I am actually already doing it, but I still want to create a lucrative list. And so it teaches me how to do lucrative list build. Okay, and I can implement it. Okay, these are very, very actionable steps. If there's no action to your desire to build an online business, then you're not gonna receive anything. So it's very clear on my side why I come in at this level. Okay, why I suggest anybody to coming in at this product, because it's a product package at the same time, and I firmly believe that a product package needs to have the right product in order for me to actually give it out. Okay, because they're tangible products. They're tangible. I hope you can hear the excitement in my voice, guys. I know I haven't shown my video today. I haven't shaven and everything, so I didn't want to come out on video. But in general, I just wanted to shoot this video because it's really, really excites me at the possibilities. Okay, and I'm going to go further. But like I said, my suggestion to you would to get at an advanced digital business video series first, which is the Vertex, and then you can go on to the Vertex Elite, which then gives you other. Now, for example, let me give you an example. At the $5 level, this in itself, drop shipping counts, can be literally a huge business for yourself. One thing in this $500 package. 50 non-stop traffic methods, another huge skill set. Okay, so these are things that you can actually take out and do in the world. And if you focus on any one of these, you can actually be quite good. Now, I obviously focus on lucrative list building, email relationship mastery, and these kind of things. And I'm not yet focused on this or launch process or affiliate market survival. I haven't yet because there's so much to go through. Okay, so that's the $500 level. It's got amazing products. And then the $1,000 level, okay, product that they have is even more crazier. I really, really am astounded how much information is given in the $1,000 level. And then you have a $2,000 level, but we won't get into all the higher ones. What I would like, because the more higher I get, the more confused you get, right? Now, there are two things that I want to say about this specific product in terms of Easy1Up. They're all 100% commissions. That means you buy it, you own it, you get the reseller rights, and you can sell it for the same price. And you get 100% of the commission. Okay? The price of, for example, Vertex is this, and then there's an admin fee that you would pay, which is I think around $25 US. So it's basically 10% of actually the product itself. And that's it. There's no hidden fees, nothing. The company has to stay alive, so that's why they definitely charge admin fee, but that's a one-time fee as well. And then every single sale you make after that is completely profit for you, and it's completely for you. Okay, 100%. So that's one of the advantages that I see specifically in having a digital franchise and a digital business in itself. Okay, solid product, teaches you things. That's why I believe in it so much. Okay, and I'm going to share with you in this video a little bit of a strategy on how I build my business and what kind of system I use to build my business. Okay, so hands down, I don't need to talk about Easy1Up anymore. Like I said, it does give instant commissions, but other than that, you are focusing on the product itself. If you want to read a little bit more about the founder, he's on the website right here, and you can go and Google him as well. But the system has literally is one of the most simplest and easiest. And in fact, when it just started, just came out, the website was just black and white. Who would think a black and white website would actually do so much? Really, who would think that? Okay, so it really goes through a lot of in-depth knowledge. And the reason why I like the fact that it's knowledge is that if you guys know me, especially and follow me on this channel, the whole theme of my channel is Tips with Dave. I come out and I give you tips. Okay, I come out and share with you knowledge, and most of the knowledge that I'm sharing with you is from these products itself. So it's allowing me to build my brand and build my business with learning. Learning is the key for me, okay? So let's go ahead and actually show my strategy in this right here. So Easy1Up is something that I'm very a firm believer in, okay? Now, what I have to do is I believe in it because of the product, I believe in it because of the commission, and what you get is also a strategy from myself. So whatever commission I make here, let's say you join at the $250 level, okay? This is where I suggest anybody to join. What I do is 30% of this, okay, every sale I make, 30% of it, take it and I put it into traffic. What is traffic? Traffic is eyeballs to your website. And now this traffic goes to a system, and the system promotes this and one other product, okay, called FutureNet. That's all that it promotes, FutureNet and this. Now FutureNet is the way I teach people how to build their social media. It is a social media site itself, but I use FutureNet, okay? And it promotes Easy1Up. Every time I make a sale, 30% of that goes into more traffic. So if you can see right here, what this strategy does for you is that it builds you an advertising budget. Okay, let's just put budget here. Budget. Okay, it builds you an advertising budget. This right here is an advertising budget. Okay, and it keeps your business working itself. Each time you make a sale, 30% of that traffic. Each time you make a sale, 30% of that traffic. Each time you make a sale, and it goes on and on and on until you actually are satisfied with it. Now, this can give you multiple sales. Now, for example, you just make a sale of $250. You need just 4 sales to make $1,000 a month. Okay, you need 8 sales to make 2,000. You need 12 sales to make 3,000. So what is your focus is these right here. Can you make 4 sales a month, 8 sales a month with this strategy? You're taking out 30% and you're putting it back into your business, 30% putting it back in your business. 1,000, 30% is $300 goes to traffic, and you make a sale. Again, you make another sale, or you make 3 sales, and then you're coming back. Can you see how it flows? There is a system in place for you. Now, I call this the Pro System. Okay, and with the Pro System you have, I built the system on some tools, which I also recommend everybody to have. The reason why I put this in blue is because I recommend everybody to have these tools that are there. And these tools also give you an additional income. This is the way I've set things up, guys, okay? So you get a little passive income here, active income here. FutureNet gives you passive income, and it gives you monthly income. So if you build this whole system, there are already actually set up 5 income streams within the system that I have, okay? But primarily, even if you don't count all the system, like you take it out completely, you cancel this section right here, and you cancel this section right here, and you just take Easy1Up. You follow this method, have a system, and send people to the system that promotes Easy1Up when I'm sleeping, when I'm awake, when I'm far away, when I'm traveling, when I'm on a business trip, whatever it is. It promotes Easy1Up for me. I make the sale, 30% of that goes back into traffic. Why 30%? Because I realized that that number for me is worth it. If you want to do 40% or 50%, that's completely up to you, but I would suggest 30%, okay? Because I use another 40% that goes into my pocket, and the remaining 30% that it's there goes for charity, wealth management, and investing in myself. So overall, 100% of my profit. And this is how I run my business. Whether people join me, whether they don't, in everything that I do, I take a percentage out and I run my business this way. I create systems and build systems this way. And for the longest time, I'm saying this, and I think that you should get it by now. Launches will come out. New products will come out. Are you ready to stick with a company long enough to see it succeed? Or are you going to jump to the next opportunity when you see it? Learn the skill sets, guys, that keeps you in the game rather than keeps you jumping like a bunny to every place. I'm saying this because honestly, it's Christmas time. Going to be Christmas time. For me, it's already Christmas time, because this time of the year, all internet marketers come up with launch. So everyone goes, ooh, I want to make some money for Christmas. And they go and they, join stupid things rather than focusing on the thing that they have to achieve before. So this is my strategy. If you're interested, if you resonate with what I'm saying to you and pushing you, what I would like to ask you is two things. Okay, do me a favor, just do two things for me. One is subscribe and comment on this channel. So subscribe to this channel and comment below. Okay, and second is, if you feel that you resonate with me, I want you to do me this favor. Okay, there's going to be a link in the description which takes you to the pro system. Put your email address there and let's get started in actually building your online franchise and business for you. You want to start a McDonald's, you want to start a KFC, you want to start a franchise business. This is a digital one. Are you ready for it? Is my question to you. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I'm going to see you on the next video, and I hope you enjoyed all the content that you did. If you did get value from it, share it with people on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to share it and you like it. I would definitely be appreciated from my side. Otherwise, I'm going to see you on the next video.